Now in this lecture we are trying to learn what is derivation tree or a parts tree. See, whenever one context free grammar is given, it contains some productions, right? It contains some productions. Based on these productions we are trying to derive one particular string, right? If we are deriving this, whenever this string is deriving, if this string, the derivation can be represented in a graphical form. The graphical representation of a derivation can call it as a derivation tree or a parts tree. Graphical representation of a derivation of particular string in a given CFG of productions, you can call it as a derivation tree or parts tree. See, this derivation tree contains root node, and second thing interior nodes and leaf nodes. Leaf nodes. See, root node. See, in a context free grammar or in any production we have start symbol, right? See, root node. The root node indicates start symbol. All interior nodes are nothing but non-terminals. All non-terminals will become interior nodes. Terminal nodes will become leaf nodes. And whenever a derivation is given, you are trying to read it from left to right. You are trying to read it from left to right. Let us see one simple example how derivation will be constructed. Derivation tree will be constructed. Let us suppose I have a grammar like this. S stands to small b, capital S, small b, or small a or small b. See, based on this particular string, I need to derive, based on this particular productions, I need to derive a string called b, b, a, b, b. This is my string. Now, what is my start symbol here? Yes, that means that any tree will be started with root node, right? Here in this case, S is my root node. From S, I should derive this particular string. So, what is my initial character? B, right? So, if I get B as a start of the character, later on I have some characters, right? So, I have more than one character in my string. So, I should consider first production into consideration. Hence, this will become small b, capital S, small b. Small b, capital S, small b. So, I have completed first thing. First character is completed. And what is the next character? Again you need to get small b only, right? So, after small b you have some characters left, right? So, again this S will be replaced with only one option we have in this case, b, small b, capital S and small b. See, if you observe carefully in this particular string, first two characters are b's and last two characters are b's. After deriving this particular string, we got first two and last two characters. We left with only one character, which is a. If we replace this S with the a, production a, hence we got the derivation tree. Observe carefully here. This is root node, right? Root node is nothing but start of the node. All leaf nodes are terminals. All interior nodes are non-terminals. That is what the main rules of derivation tree know. So, as simple as it is.